Kagalingan na. I love you. 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 Oh, you will not be comfortable because my legs are not enough for you. You're too big, isn't it? Look how cute you are there. You are very cute. You are very cute. Go there, sit in mommy's bed. Come on then. Go there. Sit in mommy's bed. Oh, hi. I love you. I love you. I love you. See how you sit in my lap. Look. You're very cute. You're very cute. I love you. I love you. I know you want to get. I know. Hi. I love you. I know. We're here on the stairs, isn't it? Yeah. And you have a big space to sit there, and now you are on my lap. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. My only one alaga. Hi. I love you. I know you want to kiss. I know. That's how you say I love you too, isn't it? Yeah. Look how you sit on my lap. Oops! You will fall. Yay! I love you. Yeah, that's nice. Hi, love you.